Bapinyo ia ki kubor baman lagas ni warklet ban subscribe ya kanai ka channel kana kicha. Napdengki khat armut ki menteri sarkar Kamegale Democratic Alliance MDA 2 kapala ilam da konar sangma komu chief minister kajala hagasin kabaar. Kidon ki MLA ki bala bateng ya kakadan menteri ki bala I baharu ha ka kam saing perthai ki bala don ya ki jingdang jingstat batkarta kapala biang pura. Hendrai apdeng kini ki menteri baro ngiui badan uwei menteri ubadang samla baha bad ubadang thamairu ha ka kam saing perthai utau dei ubasha clear warjri. MLA Kamau Federation Constituency Naga Party HSPDP Lanika Hill State Democratic Party Hakaba une MLA Kamau Federation udang don tang hagarta kaba alpendus nam kerta Shakliar warjri haga jingi kun ula penlim lendang no ya MLA barem gathany ba brolding dong si balabat artem kum MLA kane gathany mulai kun Naga Party UDP bad menteri barem ka sarkar MDA balailam da konrat sangma Hakane ka samay ka pamentaru MLA Kamau Federation Constituency udon hi bat ka sarkar. Bat lese ka jingdon jung ubat kane ka sarkar balai kerteng Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 kanlong ka jingmentoy ya ka constituency hi baro kawe.
I, Shakliar Wajri, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall be known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.